Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Up here at the Greensboro Classic Car Auction, February 23rd, 2024. Look at this beauty. My goodness. Texaco service station, back in the day when they had service stations. It's raining on me, sprinkling on me, and the wind's picking up. I'm gonna have to get inside. They're auctioning off cars inside, so I'm gonna have to run in there. So I may have to make this video quick. God almighty. You just don't see stuff how nice this truck is look done. Somebody put some work in this thing. They do brakes and tune up. It's got a Holmes body on it. Well, not original, but it's been restored, or if you purchased it resto. You know what I mean? Gas engine. Probably says on that what engine's in this. I don't see it. Maybe I'm looking right at it. Get around to the there's a tag on the other side. We'll get around to that. I'm going to get out in the rain. Chattanooga, Tennessee, Holmes body. All you guys restoring one of these, hopefully these videos and pictures will help. You can screenshot this stuff. 1200 series model. Old school. I remember tow trucks being this nice myself. I thought that was something that was just here in the last 20 years. They started making over-the-top tow trucks. Look at that. I reckon she's been worked on over the years. Love it, love it. This was a working truck right here. It could get the job done. Little tool cabinets in there, tool storage. Let's see if we can get up here and see anything in here. It's got instructions to start. There's the other tag. I'm gonna have to say, you don't have a V8 badge. I don't see anything about an engine. I have to say it was an inline 6, which wouldn't be surprising. Those inline 6s, even the flatheads, they just last forever and had torque. I believe it would have had a V8 badge in the grill. Am I right, Ford guys, nostalgia guys? Maybe in this grill on each side. I can't remember. A little bit before my time. All right, folks, Bob here. I'm bringing you this from this auction here, the Palace in Greensboro, North Carolina, classic car auction. This building here is slam full of classic cars that are auctioning off, so I need to get inside and check that out. But, oh, you might want to be interested in the wheels and tires. Let me show you that. Firestones. Some folks call them hot rocks. There's your size, 7.50 by 20, and a load range E. Well, that's the Coker tire deal. Oh. All right, folks, hit that thumbs up, share this video. We're trying to bring you all kinds of cool content on the channel. We got a nice mix of stuff. I think a Packard just went by me, but we'll go check it out. But that's a long way up there, but I want to go look at it. Share this video, hit that thumbs up. We got a lot of cool stuff on the channel. Look at some of those other videos if you don't mind, and hit the thumbs up on those too. There's a lot of car content on the channel. I mean, there's something for everybody. Scroll down for 4 daggone years almost. Find something you like and watch it if you would. I'd appreciate it. Let's have fun with the car hobby, okay? All right, folks, Bob out.